I know you guys have been struggling because all I keep getting asked about is beads and thread and why my beads chipping and why is my thread breaking and all the different things. So let's break down all of my favorite tools and why. I am brand neutral, you guys. So what I mean is I am not paid by any brand to promote their products or push them. I just truly want to share with you what I like, what I love, and why. I was affiliated with a brand. I no longer am, but that doesn't change anything for me. I still am using lots of stuff behind the chair. And then I just wanted to show you what I really like and why. Okay, let's start with our removers. So removers, right now I've got two. These are actually going to be my favorites. So we have the Bellamy. This is the one you always see me using. This is the Bellamy extension release. I love this for tape removals, for K-tip removals, everything in between. And then my new favorite is actually this one. The reason that I haven't spoke about this one, the Great Lengths Remover, is because it's only available to purchase if you are certified with Great Lengths. However, if you are, or if you can find a way to get your hands on it, this is actually amazing. For your K-tip removals, it's incredible. I don't use anything else now for my K-tip removals. I only use this. It is a gel remover and it softens the bond so easily. All I have to do is tap it with my pliers and that whole K-tip just slides right out. I've used this on Bellamy K-tips, Great Lengths K-tips, my Slavic hair K-tips, and it works a dream. Seeing as we are on our adhesive-based methods, let's talk about these. So these are going to be your tape tabs for your tapes. Obviously, these are the OGs, Bellamy Professional. Again, you see me use them all the time. These are the double-sided tape and the single-sided tape. And then another one that I wanted to introduce to you is going to be this. It's from Hairade Easy, and they also have double-sided and single-sided tape. These work just as well as your Bellamy ones. All right, bead. These are literally my favorite. If I'm using any sort of bead that comes like this in like a little tub, I only ever use the L Pro beads. So on here, you're going to see it's Lush Pro beads, but they just had like a really fun rebrand. So now it's L Pro hair extensions. And these are my favorite beads of all time. So let me tell you why they're my favorite. First of all, they come in two different sizes. So they come in the 2mm by 4mm. And then they also come in these ones, which is your standard, the 5mm by the 3mm. The reason that I love these is, first of all, they do not chip. They do not budge. Once they're in the hair, they are there for good. Also, what you're going to notice about these beads are the silicone is the same color as the bead itself. So that means that they look super seamless. You don't have that clear silicone that's going to pop out and be exposed. Honestly, I've never had a problem with these beads. They're so affordable and they come in these big tubs as well. Staying on our topic of beads, let's talk about these ones for a little bit. So these ones are going to be your beads that are pre-strung. What that means is they're already strung on here, and all you have to do is take your looper tool and put the fish wire in and just string them on. So it makes it a lot easier. I wish that L Pro had beads that came like this, because then I probably wouldn't use anything else, but they don't. That's okay. It just takes a little bit more prep, but with these it's a little bit more speedier to prep everything. Hairmade Easy ones are great. Again, they don't chip. The only thing I don't like is that the silicone is clear, but that's just me being nitpicky. But other than the quality, it's fantastic. My other favorites are these ones. They're from Maven and Maine. I actually got these on Amazon. These are 4mm by 2mm, so they are my preferred because they're a little bit smaller. What I love about these is you can see I've used them a lot. The silicone is the same colored as the bead. Your color choice is a little bit limited. I think they only have about 3 colors. I could be wrong, but my favorite is the black and the dark brown. So that is going to be your pre-strung beads. Staying with our beads, looper tools. Honestly, I don't think looper tools are that deep. It's just whatever works for you. This one is my favorite. It's Hairmade Easy. The reason that I like this is because it's a little bit longer, so I can fit more beads onto this. It's weighty as well, so it's really easy to use. And I like the fact that this is really stuck in there. So this is not going to be pulled out and go anywhere. Really sturdy. Love that it's longer, love the gold, and it's just super easy to use. Moving on to our needles. Needles is preference. You can work with smaller needles, bigger ones. So for example, you can work with these ones here, or you can even get like a smaller one, like this one here. With a smaller one, you're going to have more control. With a bigger one, it's a bit more comfortable to hold in your hand. If you have bigger hands and you're working with the small needles, sometimes it's a little bit fiddly. I also love these ones. So this one here, the gold one, this is going to be from Hairade Easy. Again, a little bit longer, but I love that it's quite thin, so it's really easy if I need to pierce through the weft. It's so good. All of the silver ones that you see are all from Amazon. So what I'll do is, as we go through, I will link anything that's from Amazon down below, and it will take you straight to my storefront. And then if it is from Hairade Easy or El Pro, I'm going to link my promo code. So what you can do is, if you enter that promo code, you're going to get a 10% discount. This right here is a magnet. You can find it from Amazon, and you can put all of your needles on that and keep it nice and organized. Staying in within our kind of like weft family, let's talk about thread. My favorite thread to use is always going to be nylon thread. The reason that I like nylon thread is because it is stronger, it is sturdy, it doesn't break or snap. And contrary to cotton thread, it doesn't get fluffy and it doesn't absorb water. So this is going to be my go-to. It's always going to be a nylon thread of some sort. My favorite one is going to be El Pro. Bellamy also have a nylon thread as well, and Hairade Easy do as well. But this one right here is from El Pro Extensions, and again, I love their products, I love their tools. It's a female-owned company and small family business, so I feel like anything I can do to support smaller businesses, I'll always try my hardest to. Grippers, you see me use these a lot in my weft installs in particular. Sometimes I might use them for my K-tips or my tapes, but specifically weft. These ones are my go-to. They're actually from Covey. I've been using Covey a lot and loving them. Again, female-owned and founded, and these are great because they're a little bit skinnier. And can you see how it curves there? So when you're going in, it works really nice on that curved weft foundation. So these are my go-to. Moving on to keratins, these are my favorite shields. I wish I could be fancy and not have to use a shield and use a clip, but for me, it just works really well to use a shield, especially if I'm working with a client that has a lot of flyaways. So the reason that I love these ones is because they're really lightweight and thin. They're not thick, they're not bulky, they're more flexible than your traditional shield, and that's why I like them the most. These ones are from El Pro Hair Extensions. Again, love their products, and these are the ones that I go through packs and packs of because they just work really well for me because of how thin they are. Your El Pro shields are going to come in a 5-pack like this, so I also love that you get a lot in a pack. Okay, let's talk about keratin. What keratin I like to use and why. So I think the one that I reach for the most is going to be my keratin powder. The reason that I like the keratin powder is because it's very user-friendly. Your tool is only going to pick up as much as you need, and it's so easy to bond with it. So my favorite powders are going to be from El Pro Extensions and from Hairade Easy. I feel like they both perform very similarly, and they both have really great choices of color. Black, dark brown, light brown, clear. The color choice is phenomenal. If you are someone that prefers to work with a keratin grain, my go-to is going to be the El Pro keratin grain. So all of the colors that are available in the powder are going to be available in the grain. I love these, and I love mixing and matching these with that clear. They're very small, you only need a few, so they're very long lasting, and you can rebond the hair with this, you can tip the hair with this, whatever you need to do, however you work. Again, I do find that these are user friendly, but if you're starting out, I think the powder is always an easier option. For my keratin tip removals, I love these. So these are from Amazon. Again, I'm going to link everything down below. The reason that I like these is they're smooth. So they're smooth, they don't have grooves. It's really important that we are doing everything that we can to protect the natural hair. and a lot of damage can occur, specifically with K-tips, if you are not being really careful when you're doing those removals. Something that I've noticed is, especially if that hair is finer, or if your client is blonde, or maybe they are over-processed, if you go in with a plier that has grooves, what you're going to notice is when you go in and break down that bond, you are also going to break the hair. Very damaging if you do that. And the way that you can avoid that is by using a plier like this that is smooth. This is Amazon, literally under $5, and I always have about 5 of these on hand because we love them and we go through them a lot. Sticking with pliers, let me talk you through some of my favorite pliers from Hairade Easy. So these 3 are definitely the ones that I reach for the most when I'm doing any sort of weft install. I also like these for my I-tip installs. The reason that I like the Hairade Easy is they are black and gold, so they're very aesthetic, but they're also really lightweight as well. My wrist doesn't hurt when I use these. I have other pliers that are very bulky, and by the end of the install my wrist is really hurting me. These ones, they're lightweight, and I love the fact that these ones have 3 holes. So this is going to be for your bigger beads, your medium beads, and your nanos. You can actually use these plier with your nanos as well. What I love about these is they're smooth, they don't have any grooves, so they don't chip the bead. If you're using a plier that has grooves, the likelihood of you chipping a bead is very high, so you're not going to get the full lifespan out of the bead. So that's why I use smooth pliers. My next favorite ones are these ones. These are the angled ones. The one downside of these is that they're grooved. So you just have to be mindful that you're not putting in too much pressure and chipping the bead. But I love these. Again, very ergodynamic because they are that curved shape. And then the next one that I love the most, these ones are really great if you're doing a removal. But the one reason that I reach for them the most is if I'm doing a removal or a move up and I accidentally clamp in the bead on itself, then this is going to be the easiest way to remove the bead without damaging the hair. My favorite tape pliers are these. They're from Bellamy Professional, and I've had these for years and years and years, and I love them. They're my go-to. I love the fact that they're ergodynamic. By that I mean you're not having to kind of like bend your wrist in a funky way. You just go in and clamp down on that tape. The reason that I use these is because I feel like it just helps give those tapes extra security when I install them and make sure that everything is nice and sealed. So these are Bellamy Professional. I don't have a discount code, but they are available to buy on their website. And then next up is going to be these 2. Again, they're from Amazon. Anything that I can find that's cost effective, I will buy. I have multiple pliers like this. These are the pliers that I'm going to use to specifically cut down any sort of keratin bond extension, maybe trim off the weft if it's too long. I have ones from Hairade Easy. I have ones from INH Pro. I have ones from Bellamy. And the ones that I always just use the most are going to be these ones. They're wire cutters from Amazon. I feel like whatever brand you use, they all pretty much do the same thing, but the reason that I love these the most is because they're just cost effective, and I can have multiple of them on hand, and if I lose them or if I break them, it's not going to break the bank. The other thing that I use the most, it's again from Amazon. You can buy it from Michael's as well. It's just a seam ripper, and this is what I like to use to cut out the thread when I'm removing a weft hair extension. Okay, now let's just finish off with my favorite keratin fusion tools. I always get asked about these because I do have multiple on hand. So I have fusion tools from Bellamy, I have the machine from Great Lengths, I have this one from Hairade Easy, I also have the same one from the Weave Queen, and then I have this one from Lush Pro. So Lush Pro or L Pro have 2 different ones that are very thin, and this definitely is my favorite one. So the reason that I love this one in particular is because these are so precise. The plates are really small. They don't overheat the bond or overwork the keratin. And I find it really easy to use, specifically when I'm working with micro K-tips or maybe even like a smaller, shorter bond. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful and it helped answer all of your questions. If you have anything that you wanted to ask me, leave it in the comments down below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I've got lots more informative videos coming for you very soon.